So what is constraint in DBMS? Constraint is a condition specified on a database table column. So why constraints are important? To prevent invalid data, maintain relationships between table, ensure uniqueness, enforce rules automatically, no manual checks needed. So what are the types of constraint in DBMS? So first one is not null. Not null is used to ensure that a column cannot have null value. After that, unique. Unique is used to ensure that the column contain a unique value, that every column contains a different value. After that, primary key uniquely identify each row in a table. To identify a row, suppose I have a voter table. In that, to identify each row, I have a primary key ID. We will see it in the practical implementation. After that, foreign key is used to derive relationships between two tables. So basically, in the if we have voter table, so to derive Aadhaar number from Aadhaar table, we use Aadhaar number as a foreign key from Aadhaar table. After that, check is used to check the condition, validates that column value meet a specific condition or not. After that, default assign a default value if none is provided. If the user or if we does not provide a value to the row, then the default value will be assigned to it. We can see the practical implementation of this. So in this we have used college database. After that, to see the practical implementation of all the constraint, we have used created a table named voter. In this table we have columns such as name, age, id, city, Aadhaar number. So Aadhaar number is the column which we have derived from the table Aadhaar info. So as I said earlier, to derive relationships we use foreign key. After that, name of a voter cannot be null. So if user enter null value, it cannot be accepted. After that, age of a voter is above 18. So to add constraint into this, we have used check constraint. After that, id is a unique value by which we can identify unique voter. After that, city. So in this we have used default constraint. So if the user does not assign value to city, it uses default value Akola. So in this way we have used 5 constraints available in DBMS. So for further updates, stay tuned with us, subscribe us, like us. Thank you for watching this video.